Hey guys, today I have two ACs, two zones on two floors. My first floor AC stopped working, not stopped working, but it's taking more time to cool down. So I came here to check, quick test. This is the upstairs AC. If I feel the air here, it's hot. If it is hot, means it's working. It's trying to pump out the hot air from the house, so this is working. So now when I feel the air here, this is cold. That means this is not working. The compressor is not working. So I will be changing the capacitor now and see how it goes. Capacitor is very easy to replace basically. You go here, remove this screw here, and then remove this screw. So it will pull out the whole plate here, and then rest of the steps I'll show you after I remove it. Okay guys, the next step is before you change the capacitor, you need to turn off the HVAC. The best thing to do is turn off the HVAC in the main outlet in the garage, the main power supply, right? So before doing that, like instead of suddenly shutting it down, I want to shut off the fan by increasing the temperature. So the fan turns off on its own based on the setting, and then I'll go and turn off the power in the garage, the main outlet. So I'll go here, I'll make the temperature to some 86 or so, and then I'll let it go and turn off on its own. Let's go and outside and check if the fan is turned off. So I'll go and check guys. So I set the setting, right, heat setting to more. So now as you see, the fan is turned off now. Now I'll go back and turn off the main HVAC power outlet in garage. So this is where I'll turn off guys. That's my first floor AC. So I'll go and turn off the AC1, which is showing 2 and 4 here. So the 2 and 4 is here. So I'll turn the switch this side. So the main power to the HVAC system is off now. Now is the time to, so now we are good to, change the capacitor outside. Okay guys, so I removed the 2 screws here. So I will take the plate off now. So once you remove it, just so remove the plate, it will look like that. So that's the capacitor I'm trying to replace. And before you disconnect anything, make sure you take the connections and take a reading. So for now there are 3 outputs there. So only 2 wires are there. My fan wire is not connected. So I'll do the repeat and same steps. Okay guys, after I removed the capacitor, I took at the specifications. It says 70 by 5 with 440 volts and 50 and 60 hertz. So the same thing I got here from Ace Hardware. So this is what I'll be replacing. So before I disconnected, by the way, the fan connection wasn't there for me. Only Herm and C were there. I had a red wire connected to C and yellow wire connected to Herm. So I'll repeat the same steps on this new one. So it's pretty much looks the same. So I'll repeat the same things here. This is my new capacitor. Okay, there you go guys. I connected Herm to the yellow wire and then C to the red wire. Just take a picture before you dismantle the previous capacitor so that you can connect the wires back again in the same color and combination. After removing the capacitor guys, I put the new one and then I put the screw on, and then that's it. I'm double checking. The Herm is yellow and then the C is red, and the fan is not connect it to anything as it was before. Hey guys, now I turn the power back on in my garage, and then I put the temperature down to around 78, 76, and now I have to come here and see. So my fan is running as expected. Even though in video it shows as if it's running slow, it's moving really fast. Now I see that hot air is coming here now. Hopefully I'll wait for another 10-15 minutes. If my temperature goes down, I'm fine. Same thing, you see here the fan shows as if it's running slow, but it's really fast. I think it's because of the video, the frames per second thing. So hope this helps, guys. So make sure you turn off the power to the AC and then do this work. And also there is one step that you have to remember. Whenever you're touching the charger or capacitor, it has some charge left on it, so make sure you don't touch it with bare hands. Here you go, guys. So my HVAC started working, and then the room temperature is back to 78. Now I can put down as much as I want. By the way, I'm not a certified HVAC technician, so please do these steps at your own risk and do your own research before doing your work on your HVAC system, or if you're trying to change the capacitor. Thank you. Hope this video helps, and good luck.